Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful everyday demure makeup. Demure means like kind of like an innocent, cute, like modest kind of a makeup. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer as well as my toner. Next, I also put my sunscreen on as well to protect my skin. Now for priming your face, I'm gonna be using this NYX Plump Back Primer. It's a serum plus primer. It's a 2-in-1 product, so it really hydrates your skin very nicely, and as well as it also has electrolytes in it that is more hydrating for the skin. Primer is very important, guys. It creates a layer between your skin as well as makeup, so the makeup layer much nicer over the skin if you use the primer. So primer has a very important job. Next, for more glow on my face, I'm gonna be using the Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and with this I'm just going to put it all over my high points of my face, just like so. And also I'm just gonna put it over here. So I'm just gonna be blending this into my skin. Next, for the skin tint, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild's Tinted Hydrator. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, just like so. I'm not taking a lot, just very little, and with my fingers, I'm just going to spread this over my skin, just like so. Next, I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Remember to always dab it, not drag it. I'll be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to put it in all the places where I want to highlight. Now I'm just going to blend everything into my skin. Nice. So it really helps it to really cover up those circles. And also the formulation is so good. Like if you have dry eyes, this is not going to dry it. It has such a beautiful satin finish. As next, for some color onto my skin, I'm gonna be using this Dewy Liquid Blush from Pack X Sarah Collection. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit, just like that on both sides. I'm just going to blend this into my skin. It is a beautiful, like a coral kind of color. It's a beautiful color, just like so. And also right on my chin, sorry. Okay, so now for powdering up my face, I'm just gonna be using this Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Beautiful, like blurring powder. It blurs very nicely. Okay, so now for bronzing up my face, I'm just gonna be using the Sugar Contour the First Bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. And I'm just going to contour my nose with this. also putting it right here, like that kind of like a button nose, and for the illusion of smaller nose, and right like so, like that, for that more natural contour look. Okay, so now I'm using this Dewy Coconut setting spray from e.l.f. I'm just gonna use this to just remove the powderiness and melt everything in to my skin. Okay, so now for the brows, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline 3-Day Styling Gel. And I'm just going to brush this through my brows. Okay, so now for eyes, I'm gonna be using this Nykaa Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette. So with this, I'm gonna be taking this shade, the most lightest shade from this palette first. And I'm just going to use this and put it all over my crease, just like so. Even the lightest shade is a bit more peachy onto the eyes. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eyes. Now I'm going to be taking the second lightest shade, it's kind of like a brown kind of color. I'm just going to take some, and I'm just going to use this to put it right here on the outer corners, just like that, and moving it towards my inner corners, just like so. Guys, this quality of the eyeshadow is very good, even though it's pretty inexpensive. Take the same shade right here on my lower lash line. Just like so. Also going to do the same on the other eyes. Now I'm just going to take this shade right here, the third shade. It's a beautiful like a pinky peach. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it right here. I'm mostly focusing it on my inner words corners, just like so. Like on my center to my inner corners, I'm focusing the shade. Also going to take the same third shade and put it right here on my lower lash line. Guys, now I'm going to be using an eyeliner, and for that I'm going to be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm just going to, for a small little wing, not a big one. This is like my second purchase of this eyeliner, and this eyeliner never disappoints. It's just such a beautiful liner. Okay, so now for our mascara, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. This mascara separates and gives a beautiful length to the lashes. For that, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Face Duo. As now for the highlighter, I'm just going to be using my Nude Sticks Isis Baby highlighter. Put some right here. Onto my cheeks, right here, and right here. Oops, got it too much, so I'm just gonna blend this. Just like that, right here as well. Okay guys, I'm just going to blend this. Okay, so now for our lips, I'm gonna be using the Sensational K-Beauty Lip Liner. Now for my lip color, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. I'm just going to put this all over my lips. I'm just going to finish my makeup off with this Dewy Coconut Setting Spray from e.l.f. This is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.